Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me again today. If you guys love nail content, please hit the subscribe button. For anyone who is new here, my name is Jenny Fajes and I bring you a new nail video every single week. So I'm so excited for today's video. As you guys see here, I am going to be creating this beautiful nail set and I cannot wait to have you guys recreate it. Tag me, show me on my DMs. I know you guys would always do that before, so feel free to tag me and DM me. I love seeing your guys' recreations. But before we get into today's nail set, I did want to ask how everyone's Valentine's Day went. What did you guys do? Did you guys stay in? Did you guys go out? Let me know in the comments down below. For me personally, I don't like going out anywhere on Valentine's Day because I feel like it's just busy everywhere. And with 2 kids, I could leave them home, but I feel like, I don't know, I like to enjoy Valentine's Day with them. So, and my husband does too. So for this year's Valentine's Day, we just stayed in, but I did pick up the kids and he got home maybe like 20 minutes before us. He decorated all pretty for us and he came outside when we pulled into the driveway. He grabbed Zaire. He went inside and helped him. He had him help decorate and stuff. And then when Aaliyah and I got out the car and walked in, they were both standing there with a bouquet of flowers and chocolates. And I thought it was just so cute. I appreciate little moments like that. So honestly, that just warms up my heart and that's enough for me. So that was basically it. And then he did order food for all of us and we just stayed in, enjoyed, food and just enjoyed family time. I feel like that's what it's all about, right? Just love. So you guys let me know how you guys celebrated that day, with who you guys celebrated, with a boo, with a friend, by yourself, just pampering yourself. Let me know in the comments down below. Now let's get into today's nail set. As you guys see here, I did do all the prep basically off camera. I did not want to bore you guys with the same routine again, so I went ahead and just kind of showed you guys a little bit of the prep, but not a lot. I wanted to focus more on the nail art, on the nail design today, so that's why I didn't go full into detail. But as you guys see here, I am going in and prepping the nail tips and I will be applying them onto my nails. But I did want to update you guys on today's week, on this week. I am running behind on my nail video. I've had already recorded the nail set. It was just this voiceover process. I just haven't had time to do the voiceover. So I apologize you guys for a late video, but I wanted to make sure I still brought it out for you guys. I enjoy doing this. I just couldn't find enough time throughout the week. I had my day off and then I just got caught up with things, and then on Friday I was going to do my voiceover to post it at least Saturday or Sunday, but then my mom wanted to do like a little bachelorette party for my sister. My younger sister is getting married in June, so my mom wanted to go ahead and do something for her to celebrate for her. So then we didn't do a strip club. My mom didn't want to do a strip club. We ended up doing like a Spanish, what is it called? A drag show. So we went ahead and did that on Friday night. We went out and we had food, we had drinks, we watched a show. It was so fun. She was able to enjoy the show and sing, and she was yelling and cheering. So it was nice to be able to see her in that kind of like environment. And it was just fun. We were out till like midnight, you guys. So then I was like, yeah, no voiceover for me today. So then I ended up not doing the voiceover, obviously, that day. And then Saturday, I did work and I watched my nephew later on throughout the afternoon. My sister went out. So yeah, I was here and he's at that stage where he's like trying to walk and stuff, and you just literally have to like have your eyes on him. So I just wasn't able to do it then. Then Sunday night, I was like, oh my God, I'll get up and I'll do it super early. But then Aliyah had gymnastics. And then we ended up going to see bridesmaids dresses that morning into the afternoon. And then later on, we ended up going to Hollywood and just walking around with the kids. My husband and I, we ended up grabbing food, and just, if you guys checked out my Instagram, you guys saw there I posted like stories and stuff. So yeah, I just got caught up, but I am going to be bringing you guys 2 videos this week. I know I fell behind last week, and I told you guys I was going to bring you a video every single week. I just apologize, you guys. It got crazy, but I am going to bring you guys 2 videos this week. So I'm sorry, but I will make it up to you guys. But now, as you guys see here, I'm like falling behind and I need to catch up on this tutorial. So I ended up just prepping the nails. I did put acetone and kind of melted the nail tip into the natural nail. And now here, once I was done with that, I did go in and use the nail buffer and just buffed my nail to make sure that it was all nice and ready for all of the products that are coming up next. And once I was done with that, I did go in with a little bit of alcohol on a lint-free wipe, and then I just wiped off everything from the nail. And I did go in with a base coat. I am just going to be applying a thin layer onto the nail so that everything else grips on nicely. And yeah, you guys, back to my crazy weeks. So that's what I've been up to, just trying to get this voiceover done, but it just got crazy. So I really honestly apologize, but I will make it up to you guys. I will post 2 videos this week, so you guys stay tuned. Let me know what you guys want to watch. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy. Now back to this nail set. As you guys see here, I am showing you guys my favorite nude gel polishes. I ended up just applying it onto my nails. I didn't want to show you guys just because I have in the previous videos, and I literally applied it the exact same way, so I didn't do anything different. It's just the exact same process. Now here I am showing you guys the 3 gel polishes that I will be using in today's nail set. As you guys see here, it's kind of like an orangey yellowish color, then this white one, and this really pretty like brown tone color. So these are the 3 that I'm going to be using. They're all from Makar. If you guys are interested, check out their website. They have a lot of really good products. But now, as you guys see here, I am going to be just applying some of this gel polish onto my little tray just so it can be ready for when I have to use it. Then I will be taking some of the gel polishes and just applying French tips onto my nails. I am going to start with this pinky one, and I am going to make it white, and this white is different than the one that I usually use. The one that I usually use is like a bright white. This one is more like a toned down, more like a off-white white. So that's why I went in with this one in today's nail set. Then I did go ahead and do my ring finger and my thumb with orange gel polish as a French tip, and then my middle finger with that brown one. Oh, sorry. And then my pointer finger is just like the pinky with the white. So you guys just enjoy this process of me creating this French tip. Now we're going to be going into this blooming gel process. This is the one for me, a secret. I do love the blooming gel. I feel like it makes this effect so pretty. So as you guys see here, I am going to be taking some and just applying it onto my pinky finger. I want to create little like blooming flowers. So you guys, I did take a thin layer. I honestly recommend a thin layer, not a thick layer, because then the thick layer is just too much and it'll start leaking off of your nails. And it's happened to me before, so I definitely recommend you guys at home just doing a thin layer of the blooming gel. But here I am just going to be taking the brown color and I'm going to be creating 3 little dots. But then when you guys create the dots and start letting them bloom, you kind of drag them towards the center together, and it kind of creates that like feather little effect. So that's how I like to create it. I've seen people just do the dot and drag at the same time, but I personally feel like if you do the dot, let it bloom a little bit, and then drag it, it makes the best effect. So that's basically it. After that, you just cure it. Now for the orange nails, I did use the blooming gel as well, but for these, I literally just put it onto the orange part. I did not let it touch the nude because I just wanted that blooming effect on the obviously the French tip. So then I grabbed a thin brush and just applied it exactly on top of that orange, and that was it. Then I did go in with my dotting tool and just started creating dots everywhere. I do like to start on the sides first and then the middle. As you guys see here, I just let them start blooming and then I just start applying more and more. And I love this effect, you guys. I love how this nail set turned out. I can't wait for you guys to see the results.
back to the nights we felt alive, picking up the pieces on a summer night. I didn't know that I would feel just like my heart's on fire whenever.
Now for my white French tips, I did do this differently. I've seen this design on Instagram, on TikTok, and I think it's so pretty. I've done it in the past before, so I knew it would be pretty with this nail set. You basically just kind of like flick little lines and you flick them to the side. I did a short one, and then here I'm doing a longer one, and it's really easy, honestly, you guys. You do a line, you cure it, that way they don't blend in together. They're literally like kind of on top of each other, and that's what I did here. I just flicked it and then cured it. I did do 3 lines on these nails, 2 together and then 1 just on its own, and I love how this looks. I feel like it just makes like a really simple but beautiful little nail design. So then I went ahead and did that. Then with the dotting tool, I did add dots along the sides of these designs, and honestly, I love how this nail set turned out. I am obsessed with this entire nail set. I can't wait for you guys to see, like I said. But if you guys are enjoying this, if you guys are enjoying the process, please give this video a big thumbs up. Now, once I was done with that nail, I did apply top coat. I have been applying top coat after every single nail just because I want it to cure and be done. I don't want anything to happen to it, like any lint or anything. So I go ahead and just top coat after each one of the nails. Now, I did tell you guys I wanted to play more with this builder nail gel or whatever it's called. So I am going to be creating flowers on today's nail set. I am excited to just play with this more, and I did see that they have like different colors, so I'm probably going to be buying more and just trying different little flowers and just designs with this. But now for today's design, I am going to be using this to create flowers, and what I've been seeing is you just basically roll this like this. You just roll it out and kind of evenly make little balls out of them, just so you can place it and then create petals out of that. So that's basically what I'm doing. I'm making 5 of these, and then I will be applying them onto my nail, and then you guys will see how easy it is to create these flowers. Now here I literally placed them like basically in a circle, how a flower would look, like little flower petals. And then with this tool, you kind of just press down, but then towards the center of the rose petals, you kind of just pull them in. So you kind of flatten them out and then pull them in. I love how this turned out, and I feel like it's so easy. I can't wait to just keep doing these, get better, and then also like paint them different colors, try different designs on them as well, because I have seen on Shein that they have like these iridescent ones, and I thought they were so pretty, so I might order them and do like a little nail haul for you guys pretty soon. If you guys are interested in that, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to buy things and just show you guys what I buy. Now these little flowers, I love how they turned out, and like I told you guys, you basically just kind of flatten it out and then just bring them all in the center. It's super easy, super quick, and honestly, I feel like you guys can all do it at home. So you guys trust me, go ahead and purchase the products and try it out. You guys are going to love how they look, and you guys are going to get so many compliments. Now here I am just taking a little bit of this orange gel polish and just kind of painting over the flower, mostly on the outside. The center I kind of try to clean up a little bit just so it didn't get flooded with all this orange, and then I just kind of painted over. That was basically it. Then I did go in with this brown nail polish and nail polish and then I just added like little lines in the center. Now in the center of the flowers, I am going to be taking some nail glue and just applying these gold caviar beads. I didn't count how many, I just applied a bunch of them. I've been seeing this on Instagram, on TikTok, and I love how this looks. I feel like it all ties in together with the gold little jewels on my other nails. I love today's nail set, you guys. I ended up just finishing this off by just applying top coat And this is a top coat that I told you guys I recently bought. I actually really like it. I feel like the shine lasts a lot longer than other top coats. I do like it. It's not too thick, not too thin. It's perfect. So for now, I will be using this one. I definitely recommend it. I also have it on my Amazon storefront. But to finish off today's nails, I did apply some cuticle oil. You definitely do not want to step. You definitely don't want to miss this step at home. I am just applying this to hydrate my fingers again. You guys definitely need to do this because the nail process just dehydrates your fingers, your hands so much. So definitely don't forget this step at home. And that's it for today's nail tutorial. This is how the nails turned out. I love how they looked. Oh my god, you guys, I'm obsessed. Please let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about today's nails. Let me know what you guys want to see. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys next time.